Hello. So, we are going to do something a little bit different with my daughter. I need you to sit up straight.
I'm sitting up straight.
So, for her birthday, what do you get a kid that has everything? Because my girls certainly aren't lacking when it comes to anything that they want. And this was her 10th birthday in September, and I wanted to do something different and something that maybe we could, I don't know, just enjoy as a family. So I got her a subscription to MunchPak. If you've never heard of MunchPak, it's this really cool subscription box. You can choose your box. You can choose how often you receive your box, but it has snacks from all over the world. So we've been getting this since September. This is our 5th box that she has gotten. And I don't know, it's really cool. It tells you where the snacks, what country they came from. A lot of them are amazing. A lot of them are not so great, in our opinion. But it just, I don't know. It's neat. It's different. So we thought we would show you what came in our January MunchPaks box. So this is the, you can get a family box, which has, I think, 10 or 15.
Yeah.
I can't remember. But this one, we'll show you what came in this box. Okay? So, we're going to try everything live and in living color right here. Alright, so what do you want to try first?
I kind of want to try this because
Okay.
it looks interesting.
It does look interesting. It reminds me of a Reese's, and it's probably because of the color. You know, like a peanut butter cup. So we're going to try this first. What's that say?
Pepero?
I don't know.
Pepero.
You open it up, and I'll see where it's from.
With how to say it.
And it tells you where, you get a book that shows you where everything came from. So this is from South Korea. And it is a combination of pepero and a crunchy bar. And it's one for the books, it says. Enjoy the classic flavor of pepero. And if you don't know what pepero is, how do you know what the classic flavor is?
I don't know.
I don't know.
It looks like, you know when you get this.
So it looks like a crunch bar.
Yeah.
On a pretzel is what it looks like. So go ahead. You try it first.
Pretty good. Better than I thought it would be.
Yeah. So that's what it tastes like. It tastes like a Nestle Crunch or a Crackle. I think is what they're called. The little red ones that are in the mini packs that nobody likes. On a pretzel. But this is pretty good. And these are always full-size products. They are not like sample sizes. They're full-size product.
Serendipity?
Serendipity.
Oh,
peanut butter sticks and raspberry jam. Oh, it smells delicious.
I don't know if I'm going to like it.
So, why don't you take half? Just get a little scoop of the jam. It tastes like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Like, I guess there's peanut butter inside the sticks. That's pretty delicious.
It's okay, but I don't really like peanut butter or jelly.
Right.
So.
Yeah, my kid is probably one of the very few kids on the planet that does not like peanut butter jelly sandwiches.
Rain blasters. Okay.
So that's a candy. Here it is.
Yeah.
So these are from Pakistan.
What?
Pakistan. So I'm just going to dump a few of each side.
Yeah.
Because they even,
flavors.
yeah, they feel like nerds.
So what is this? Like lemon and cherry? Or
Lemon and raspberry. So these are a candy from Pakistan. So just get a few of each color.
Okay. Can't get them.
They're nerds. Yeah, they taste exactly like nerds. Hard bite. Okay, so here's where things get weird. Sometimes they combine flavors in different countries that we would have never even thunk of. For instance, okay, so let me preface this by saying Sadie isn't necessarily what I would consider a picky eater, yet she is at the same time. And I am too. Like, just by the name of things, I won't necessarily try it. And so I thought this was something that would, you know, force her to try things. She doesn't have to like everything, but I just wanted her to try everything. So this is chips from Canada, but the flavor is wild onion and yogurt.
It doesn't sound that good.
No, it does not sound good.
Even yogurt chips. Yogurt chips and onion chips sound bad apart.
Okay.
So why would you mix them?
Go.
Kind of good.
They taste like sour cream and onion chips. I would have never purchased these because it says wild onion and yogurt. But they literally taste like baked sour cream and onion chips. Or not baked, but more of like a kettle cook.
Yeah.
Where they're a little...
Crunchier?
Yeah, they're a little harder. What's that?
Milkins?
Snoko drops. Shoko drops.
Shoko.
I bet these are somewhere from like Finland or something. No, they're from Germany. So.
They're bigger than you would expect. I expect them to be like
I don't know what they're supposed to be. They kind of taste like an M&M. Like a big, plain M&M. That's exactly what they taste like. Cacao. And so, oh, I can feel it. It feels like a Swiss roll. So this is from Italy. So it's a vanilla cake with vanilla filling, or it can be a sponge cake rolled in cocoa cream, then coated in milk chocolate, which is the one we got. And it does even look like a Swiss roll. Ripsky. It's very rich, very chocolatey.
Yeah.
So that tastes like a solid chocolate. Instead of having the white cream in it, it has chocolate in it. Swiss roll is what it tastes like. It's pretty good. Very rich.
How about you pick? You pick the next one. What is that? Morgana strawberry.
So it's something strawberry banana soda candy. And it's from where?
Japan.
Japan. But they look like
a different shape.
They look like a little bitty tiny version of a Smarties sucker.
Yeah. Okay. We'll see.
And they kind of have the same chalky consistency. That's what they taste like. That's pretty delicious.
It's okay. I don't really like it that much. Lion to go.
Lion to go. Lion to go. That is from Germany. It's very chewy. So this,
I like it.
well, get ready when I tell you what's in it. So it's filled with peanuts, raisins, cranberries, crispy rice, covered in chocolate. See, I knew that was going to happen.
I thought it tasted like kind of like peanut butter-ish, kind of.
I can taste the raisins and the cranberries.
Raisins?
But it's very, very small amount. She does not like raisins at all. Like, at all. And I'm shocked that she didn't say anything about the cranberries, too.
The cranberries? I didn't get that part.
Yup. Rawr. Lion to go. 2 more items. So this is a big biscuit sandwich with lemon cream filling. And it is from Lebanon.
Never heard of that.
Well, I can't tell you where it is because I don't know. It tastes like a lemon flavored sandwich cookie.
Yeah.
That you would get
I don't
at the dollar store. Yeah. I'm not big into lemon cookies.
Into lemon.
Cheetos Kaffa ketchup.
Ketchup?
So these are from Israel. Oh, they're the Chester Cheetah Paws. Y'all remember those? Okay. For sure tastes like ketchup. Like,
I kind of like them.
Yeah, they're not bad. So these are pretty good. They're different. They're, like I said, if you're my age, you remember when Chester Cheetah came out with the 3D chips. And that's what those are like. So, overall, out of a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate this entire box?
8.
8? Yeah, I mean, there wasn't very much that we didn't really care for.
Maybe like 2 or 3 things I didn't like.
Yeah. The only thing that I wasn't wild about was the lemon cookie, the sandwich cookies, and then that Swiss roll thing. It was too chocolatey for me. But pretty good. So like I said, you can get different packs. So we get the original. You can even get a mini pack that comes with 5. So the original comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the family pack comes with 20 snacks then. So if you're looking for something fun, something different to do with your family, or you just got to get something for somebody and you're not sure where to begin, this is a really, so I love subscription boxes of any kind, and this was pretty cool. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like getting it?
Yeah.
She gets pretty excited if she's not here. Whenever I get home and I see that it's been delivered, I always send her a picture and she gets pretty pumped. So this is why it's taken us so long to film one of these. Like I said, this is our 5th box because she always gets into it before we're actually home together because she can't stand not at least trying 1 or 2 things. So this one came in just a couple of days ago and I was like, we need to do a video. But this is what it looks like. It comes in this adorable little box. And there's Sadie's MunchPak. And if you're interested, I believe I have a code to get a discount off your first box. So feel free to comment below if you want that. Or you can message me and I will hook you up. Thank you to Sadie for allowing me to, she's a curly girl method, her sister has. So, to do this video with me, it was fun. Those were pretty delicious.
They were very delicious.
We usually give Jason the leftovers of everything.
If we don't like it.
If we don't like it, he pretty much eats just about everything. So that's what we do with him. Oh, that's our MunchPak video. Give it a try. There are tons of different subscription boxes you can check out. So I hope everybody enjoys the rest of your day, and I will catch you guys on the flip side.